Hello guys, this is Asfahan with another video, and today we will talk about how to insert or create a drop down list in Google Sheets. uh, I have already opened a Google Sheets right here, and I want to make a drop down list for these host countries in each cell. I do not want to write or type this. Basically what I do want is I want them all removed, and then somehow click a drop down list and select it from that list. So this is what I want to do. And how will I do that? I will just firstly press Ctrl Z. So we'll start all over again. I will go to this tab of insert and click this drop down button. As I'd already selected all these countries, so it is asking me whether I want all these countries into uh, a drop down list that it would give an option for. If I click done, it will say okay. I can add another country here too. Let's call it Belgium, just to show you that it is possible. And even I can allow multiple selections here too. So if a World Cup is happening in more than one country, you can even select that if you want. So you can have multiple options. Now I have to just click this done button, and I've got this, but there is still the countries written here. I do not want to. I will just at this point just delete all these. Now I have got this drop down list button here. So what is happening? When you click that, you see you have 1930 World Cup Uruguay. So we'll just come in at the bottom, click Uruguay, and that is it. It comes right there. Now it is Italy, so click this drop down button and go click Italy. France, click it and click France. And in any case, if this 1950 World Cup was happening in Brazil, but it was also happening in Argentina together, so what you can do is click both Brazil and Argentina, because remember we had allowed the option of multiple selections. So I have both here. We'll just open it up a bit and you will see both countries here. So this is a very easy way of uh, how do you use a drop down list in your Excel sheets. That is it guys, and that is the video.